Hello, good morning everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. First of all, let me introduce myself. My name is Komang Raditya Putra. You can call me Radit. My number student is 24120217174. I'm from 4F class and I'm an English education student. Today, I'm very happy to share my semester review about our TEFL class. During this semester, I learned many new things that help me understand what it really means to become an English teacher. In this video, I will talk about two things. First, I will explain the core materials that every EFL teacher should master. Second, I will share the most valuable experiences and skills that I gained from this course and how they will help me in my future career as a teacher. So, let's get started. When I first joined this course, I thought that teaching English was simply about explaining grammar, vocabulary, and giving exercise. However, after attending this class, I realized that teaching is much more than that. Being an English teacher means helping students learn in ways that are interesting, meaningful, and enjoyable. In my opinion, the first thing every EFL teacher should master is teaching methods and approach. Why is this important? Because every student learns differently. Some students enjoy discussions, some learn better through games, while others understand the lesson better when they practice directly. Since every classroom is different, teachers should know various teaching methods instead of depending on only one. For example, if students look bored, teachers can change the activity into pair work or a group discussion. If students are shy to speak, teachers can start with simple conversation before asking them to speak in front of the class. I learned that a good teacher is flexible and always thinks about what is best for the student. The next important material is lesson planning. Honestly, before this class, I thought a lesson plan was just another assignment for teachers. But after learning how to create one, I realized how useful it actually is. A lesson plan helps teachers organize the class from beginning to end. It helps us decide what students should learn, what activities they will do, how much time each activity needs, and how we will know whether students have achieved the learning objective. I think teachers who prepare their lesson well usually test more confidently because they already know what they are going to do in the classroom. Another important material is classroom management. For me, this is one of the biggest challenges for every teacher. Imagine having a great lesson, but students are talking all the time, not paying attention, or feeling afraid to participate. In that situation, learning cannot happen effectively. That's why classroom management is very important. A good teacher should know how to create a classroom that is positive, respectful, and comfortable. Students should feel safe to ask questions, express their opinions, and even make mistakes because sometimes making mistakes is actually part of learning. Besides, besides that, I also learned about assessment and feedback. At first, I thought assessment only meant quizzes, exams, or giving scores. But now I understand that assessment is much more than that. Assessment helps teachers understand students' progress. It shows which students need more support and which sorry, students are ready for more challenging tasks. Feedback is also very important. Instead of only saying good job or wrong answer, teachers should explain what students did well and what they can improve. I believe positive feedback can increase students' confidence and motivate them to keep learning. Of course, EFL teachers also need strong English skills, including grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, listening, speaking, reading, and writing. Without mastering this language skill, it will be difficult to explain English clearly to students. Now, I would like to move on to the second point, which is probably my favorite part. The most valuable experience and skills that I learned from this TEFL class. Personally, this course completely changed the way I see teaching. Before taking this class, I imagined that teachers simply stood in front of the classroom, explained the lesson, and gave homework. Now, I realized that teaching is much more interactive than I thought. Experience that I really enjoyed was learning how to design student-centered activities. I learned that students should not spend the whole lesson only listening to the teacher. Instead, they should communicate, work together, solve problems, play educational games, practice speaking, and share their ideas with others. These activities make learning more enjoyable and also help students become more confident in using English. Another experience that really helped me was creating lesson plans and teaching scenarios. Although it was challenging at first, I think this activity gave me a real picture of what teachers actually do before entering the classroom. I learned how to set learning objectives, choose suitable teaching methods, prepare activities, estimate the time, and even think about possible problems that might happen during this lesson. This made me realize that teaching requires careful preparation. I also learned something that I think is very important. Teachers should always be creative and flexible. Sometimes students understand the lesson immediately, but sometimes they don't. When that happens, teachers should not give up. Instead, they should explain the material differently, use simple words, provide more examples, or create more interesting activities. Every student learns at their own pace, and teachers should respect that. Another thing that this course taught me is the importance of reflecting on our teaching. After every lesson, teachers should ask themselves questions like, what went well today? What can I improve next time? What did my students enjoy the most? I believe reflection is one of the best ways for teachers to continue growing. I repeat, I believe reflection is one of the best ways for teachers to continue growing professionally. Besides gaining knowledge, I also become more confident. Of course, I still have a lot to learn, and I know becoming a professional teacher takes time and experience. However, compared to the beginning of this semester, I now feel much more prepared. I understand better how to plan lessons, manage classroom, communicate with students, and create meaningful learning experiences. In the future, I hope I can become an English teacher who is patient, creative, and supportive. I don't only want to teach grammar or vocabulary, I also want to encourage my students to enjoy learning English, believe in themselves, and never be afraid of making mistakes. Because I believe students learn best when they feel comfortable, respected, and motivated. Finally, I would like to conclude this video. Overall, this table class has given me many valuable lessons, not only about teaching English, but also about becoming a better educator. I learned that being an EFL teacher means continuing to learn, adapting to students' needs, and always trying to create meaningful learning experiences. I truly appreciate everything I learned throughout this semester, and I believe these experiences will become a strong foundation for my future career as an English teacher. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you very much for listening. Have a wonderful day, and thank you everyone.